fans, running kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a steal of a deal for some free M&Ms and a double stack. And I know a lot of you are like, I'm all about that double stack life. So I have a deal pour vous and then some cheap P&G products, cheap Palmolive and 50-cent Colgate and more magic in this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask for a favor. If you guys can please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the channel and me. If you could just take a second and like this video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so if you go into the Walgreens app and look at your store, are these share a size M&Ms 49 cents? Yes or no? They have an expiry date of June, so that's probably why they're on clearance, but they're typically 2 for $5. We have this digital coupon that will reduce down to the cost. So if you go to the store and say you find 3 bags of these, it will amount to $0. So definitely, if you have a chance, get to the store today and look, guys. I could not track this down. I found the mini bags or the smaller bags, but the share size bags are a little bit larger and it has that red band. Look for it in that candy aisle or at the front at checkout. Do it right away. And say you find 10, that Walgreens coupon that I just showed you will apply to all 10. The next thing we're going to talk about are these very high value digital coupons. I recommend that what you do is go into your coupons folder at the very top, the subfolder called household, and then scroll down and see all the digital coupons. They're good for the month, or some of them are only valid for like this week, but they're very high value and we will put these into play in curbside offers. So load these magical coupons. Okay, also in the candy aisle, we have a lot of the candy now at 50%, and even if it's red tagged for just like a chintzy $1 off, don't be shy to grab a couple, bring it to the photo counter, be very nice to the employees and say, may I have a price check? And then they'll be like, oh, absolutely. But you know what? A lot of this candy dropped in the app and it's also dropped in the store. So if this is your thing, stock up. The next stealio that we're going to talk about is the Colgate deal of the week. So we're going to grab 1 toothbrush and 1 paste. And forgive me, guys, I went to a store and it wasn't all tagged first thing this morning. So yeah, sorry I don't have the tags for you, but it's definitely in the app if you look this up. We're going to load the following digital coupons. That is 1 for the paste and 1 for the brush. So we're grabbing 1 of each product that's tagged at your store that's part of the promotion of buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. And both of these products are $4 on the nose. I strongly recommend that you open up the app and scan barcodes in the morning if nothing's tagged. So 2 of these products is 8, subtracting $4 in digital. So you're going to pay 4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, and now this is just a glitch, I believe, because it's kind of bizarre. These $5 Scots, we have a $2 coupon that is attaching for whatever reason, and this is a high value coupon. Only one of my accounts received it. So 1 of these Scots for 5, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. So definitely make sure that that digital coupon is still there before you before you go to the store and buy it. And I would do this one ASAP. So when you're on the hunt for those M&Ms, get your cheap toilet paper as well. Now I had to look at the Doritos again, and they are buy 1 get 1 free at $6.29. Still a little bit, but if you wanted to grab 2 bags and use $5 of Walgreens cash, perhaps that's a deal. The Lay's are a little bit cheaper at $4.99. The Lucky Charms are 2 for $5. We have a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate on each, so there's no digital coupon to go with as well, so no worries. Grab 2 of them and then make that 50-cent submission to IBOTTA. It'll attach twice, so that's $1 back. It makes it $4 for the 2 or $2 per box for your Lucky Charms. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, and double triple check your IBOTTA rebate is still there. Moving it along, for those of you that like to stock up on laundry care, especially if you're a newer couponer, 4 for $10, so it makes it $2.50 per product on the Gain Softener, the Unstoppables. Granted, they are the smaller units, but still, if you wanted to stock up, not the worst dealio. Let's talk about a great little Palmolive deal. All of these different scents at $2.99. It's on this promotion to buy two to get back a $2 register reward. So it's only valid this week, to note that as well, guys. So we also have this digital coupon, which is $1 off of one of them. So make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing two of those Palmolives, it's $5.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98 out of pocket. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $2.98 for the two, or $1.49 per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, this is where I kind of ran into some trouble again. None of this was tagged in the store for $5.49, buy four, get back a $5 register reward. I really wanted to see that, and then I'm like, am I having last week's issues again? So I'm like, wait a second, let's look this up in the app. And here it is. Buy four of these items, get back a $5 register reward. I really thought Gain would be part of it. It's not listed and nothing was tagged. So apologies, guys. These are the only digital coupons I had. I could not throw in the Tide Pods because guess what? The store was picked clean. There was nothing left. I think there was a Tide Pod recall about a month ago, and they have yet to repackage them and put them back on the shelves, which I don't fully understand. But these are the digital coupons I have. Not a lot, but we're working with what we have. Grabbing four of these laundry care items at $5.49 each. That's $21.96. Subtracting $3.50 in digitals, pay $18.46 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $13.46 for the four, or $3.36 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you happen to be in the store and if it's tagged, the items that are $5.49, like the Gain, it's part of the buy four, get back $5 register reward. Let us know in the comments down below. Please share. Again, store wasn't tagged, so not much I can do. Let's not forget this sensational deal this week. The buy one, get two for free, valid right till Saturday. So it makes each box of these freezer bags 93 cents each. That is so much cheaper than Dollar Tree, and the quality is fantastic. I use these to organize my life. So, stock up this week. Fantastic. So now we're going to talk about the stack. The 5-pack when you spend $27. If you look down below, see how it says expire in 1 day? Please take a note of that. They changed the rules on us. And then we have a 10-pack when you spend $35 on summer essentials. Just because the top one has a time ticker on it, you know what I would do? Throw all of this stuff into a digital cart, and then see how it's stacking up for you, just to be on the safe side. What I grabbed, guys, was two of these Love Beauty and Planet, and then two of the Banana Boat sunscreens. We have a $2 digital on the Banana Boat, and that's it. So that kind of sucks. But if you might have a manufacturer register reward to throw into these shampoos, that might be the smarter way to go. These are $9 each, and the promotion is when you buy two, you're getting back a $9 register reward. So that is why Aunt Rach is saying do this deal in store so you can get that $9 register reward. And here it is. Unfortunately, my store, the register reward machine, has been broken now for, I think, like a month plus. So I didn't get to see that register reward. I also found a hang tag in store to go with the second Banana Boat that I was buying. These are typically on these sunscreens because they want people to buy them, and they're giving an extra $2 off. And that is courtesy of the manufacturer. So this is a very simple deal. Two of the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos for $18, and then two of the Banana Boats on a buy one get one 50% off is $20.98 for a grand total of $38.98. We're doing this in store. You have your two boosters loaded, the 10-pack when you spend $35 on summer, and shampoo and sunscreen both summery, and then your 5-pack or the 5-pack when you spend $27 on just general merchandise. We have two Banana Boat coupons melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $34.98. Get back $15 in Walgreens cash for the two boosters and a $9 register reward. Fetch Rewards also has a rebate for Love Beauty and Planet. Mine is spend $30, get back I think $6, so close to it. So it makes it $10.98 for the 4 products or $2.74 each. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're juggling 2 boosters, and to make sure that every scent and every flavor of sunscreen or shampoo is going to work out for you, where you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, because it's been weird how they program stuff on Sundays. I would throw all 4 items into a cart digitally and see mathematically how that shakes out for you. Of course, you want to do this in store for that $9 register reward, but make it happen. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye!